we're going to explore the Medicare dataset somewhat further. Remember, we wanted to see how we can find anomalies in the data. But to walk through the ways we can go about finding anomalies in data in general. So the next important question we are going to ask is, what are the variables of interest in the dataset? Let's switch back to the IPython notebook to investigate this. We had seen from the summary of the dataset that we had 28 different columns of data. The list of columns is long. If you scroll to the bottom of it, you will see 6 variables that may be of interest to us. One of them is called average Medicare allowed amount. The other is the submitted charge amount, and the Medicare payment amount. These are the variables that have directly some indication of charges. We're going to investigate these variables further. Some of the other columns are very specific to Medicare and could be useful if we did some more research on Medicare and the data. However, without doing some domain-specific research, we can still see that these variables could be of interest in detecting unusual charges. To keep things simple, we are only going to use the average Medicare amount. We can use the standard deviation of the Medicare allowed amount and the submitted charge amounts and the payments amount as inherent irreducible variance in the average charges. After looking at the variables of interest in the dataset, we came to the conclusions that the allowed amount, the charged amount, and the payment amounts might be of interest for our investigation.